Miss Robinson, I don't have no phone, miss. I not give Pitney no my phone. I not leaving my phone with no Pitney for me. Know when me win a lot of them I call me and can't get me a picking them again. Kids school in your yard, we pay for it. Or me get one phone, we make you know. Me not let me phone give no Pitney. For me I buy a lot of hard phone with you.
Miss, I am taking a break right now.
Sheldon, we have a set time for break and a set time for lunch. You don't decide when you take a break, all right? Just sit and wait until we say it's break time.
Are we supposed to just pick some random letters to fill in the blank? Because I didn't see an example or a first instruction to show or something to read to figure out the sentence that is here.
Teacher construction work me though. So me not gonna fill up. But me I can put in the kitchen. Me have to put it can use for filling them or something can what you send to Pitney. Reply to me and make me know.
Good morning, miss. I'm born at yard. Me not feel to do work because when I do work at yard, we can't all hear what I say. And if you come out with a little vibe.
Holy fucking phone in your ears. Holy fucking phone in your ears.
You said A squared plus B squared. I put the C squared. I put that on there.
How many more times are we gonna go?
I've been what? Okay, when they coming back to school, I can't keep doing this. Like every night, I appreciate the extra work, but I ain't learning nothing. And he definitely do. He ain't learning nothing. Now, Ms. Johnson, is you doing your job?
This is beyond me.
Yeah, if it's beyond you, if it's beyond you, and you went to college for 4 years, imagine how beyond it is to me. Imagine how far it is. Ms. Johnson, I got a request. Can I raise my hand?
What can I do for you?
I just feel like the class is too complicated. And sometimes as a parent, I got to be real. Do y'all got a class where ain't that many people in there? You know what I mean? Huh?
It's for the students stuff.
2, 5, 8, 2, 9, 20, 2, 8, 21, 2, 8, 29, 2, 8, 90, 2, 9, 30.
As online working, you love laughs like an idiot. So good morning, Miss Shanil calling.
Good morning, miss.
Call it that your name. No fuck with me, you hear? Online work you do, I'm tell you, pin never send in there. You talk about good morning, miss. Give me this here. Say your name.
Take time with it, baby. Take time with it.
Miss Walters, this is going to kill me. I can't go nowhere and I don't know. Look like him out done forever. I can't deal with this. Cause all him a do a ball, and him no want write nothing and him get done and him can't write the letter them again and I just pay a problem me have. Me just feel like me I just left him, make him just stay there forever. Me can't manage this teaching thing. Me can't manage it. Cause him can't do it on him own and me can't get figure now. Me don't know. This thing now go work.
Ton Bellevue patients after corona. Every Pitney ton gunman and gunman, dunce bat, rat bat, dopey bat, cricket bat, tennis bat, every bat in the world. You know say? That me know. One thing me know. Me, now go front and no blood clot zoom. Cause member, me don't even know A from Bullfoot. Remember zero things me know. Me know, remember all the phone them brighter than me, so me don't even look around upon no blood clot zoom. Anything blessing me understand than me, so me don't even no understand make she just leave me can't but I'm out of America walk barefoot for the whole of life and back never joke him. So that blessing just watch them.
I'm gonna put in the email right at the assessment or assign so it show me say incorrect find your Google account. So me wonder why not go through.
I am starting again, so please Send the email, let me put in all of them again and do it over. I don't know what to do. I'm confused myself.
All over the place, you know.
Miss, good morning. Please remember that is baby. From yesterday, the work them a send mixed up. Me have hard time to deal with the baby with this mix up work, yeah. And them a come in mix up again.
Afternoon, can you make the parents them send the work them individual to your phone, because the group are full of whole heap of something and my phone is saying it soon start to say storage full. And I don't want my phone to full and then Kashin can't get to do his work. So if you can.
I am 6 years old. I am like to run.
I see him for Korea.
Hello, Miss. Good morning. Miss, that's all we needed to know, you know. That's all we needed to know, because the thing keep asking us for the class code. So if it's asking us for it, we are going to ask you. So if you are not in, Miss, that's all we needed to know, that you're not in it as yet. So we know that we can go in, because if you are not in, we can go in. So that's why we keep asking for the class code. So if you are not, that's all you needed to tell us. Come on, please. We're not kill you.
Only 4 pitney have, one phone me have, and I have 7 pitney me have, and one alone. Every message come from every orientation, I have to try it, I have to log out of one and go in at one. May I tell you, I am telling you, I have seven kids, and I don't know how this is gonna work, because I soon threw my phone over the gully. Because me know say me I try to make one do one, and then a next one do one, and me have to beg a teacher at time to do this and that. No, it can't work for me. I have 7 kids me have, and I one phone me have. Where the government has something better than send them go to school, because me and Uno now go have no more problem. Jesus, please. You big suck your mama, me hear that? Jesus.
Good morning, Tisha. My name is Tariq. God. No, not Tariq. God.
Miss, you can delete this number 356-8107. After this, I am no longer the parent of that child. That child is not mine, and I need that my name or number on that file to delete and off the group. I did tell the last teacher last year about it, and I don't know why she didn't get rid of my number, so let's get rid of that number, please. And thanks.
Talk loud. Miss Watson. Good morning, Miss Watson. I have to make you to your dinner to tell us what current are going. Good afternoon to you, sir. Bear in mind, I work, and when I'm at work, I don't use Wi-Fi. However, when I get home, I am on the Wi-Fi. I see the other day you said that your weekend start 3:30. Well, my weekend start at 6. I can't fight you on your weekend, but I only can reply to you when I am available. And O'Shane Green does not have a phone. O'Shane only have a laptop. So you need to have, you need to think about we'll come home 7:30, 8 o'clock when we have the time for reply to you. You can't just think like that. You cannot just think like that. And in the morning when I get up, I have to get up and I get ready for go to work. So I can't look on phone for a message nobody at that time. You understand, sir? You have to understand. You have to understand, and parents on my side. I don't like it. You have some little ways, and I don't like it, sir. You're talking about, and when people message you, you don't reply to people. I don't like that neither, sir.